Hello student, myself Divya Garg is here to explain you chapter number 7, Weather, Climate and Adaptation of Animals to Climate. First of all, I am going to tell you what is weather. The atmospheric condition on a particular day at a place with respect to temperature, humidity, rainfall and speed of wind is called weather. So weather means what is the atmospheric condition of that particular place on a particular time, that is called weather. So many factors affect the weather. First of all, the major factor is sun that affect the weather. The sun causes changes in the weather because it is the source of all heat and light on the earth. Blowing of wind, rainfall, etc. also depend on sun. That is why it causes a major change in the weather. So many other elements are also there which affect the weather. First of all, I am taking temperature here. The highest temperature recorded during the mid of the day is called maximum temperature. The minimum temperature for a particular day is recorded in the early time. We use maximum and minimum thermometer to measure temperature. So that's why this thermometer is called minimum and maximum thermometer. Next factor which affect the weather is known as humidity. Humidity is the amount of water present in the air. It can be measured by an instrument known as hygrometer. So what do you understand by humidity? The amount of water present in the air, and we measure it with an instrument known as hygrometer. You can see hygrometer is on the screen of yours. This is a watch-like instrument. It is having so many numbers and a needle on it, so we can easily find out humidity with the help of this instrument. Next factor that affect the weather is rain. When water droplets join together and become heavy, they come down as rainfall. Rainfall is generally measured in millimeter with the help of an instrument called rain gauge. Rain gauge is a simple instrument with a funnel and a cup-like structure which is having mark on it. Next factor that affect the weather is wind. The moving air is called wind. During winter, the mountain of northern India wind blows towards plain, and plains become colder. And during summers, when wind blows from western India towards eastern India, these regions become very hot. So this is the major effects. Now comes climate. What do you understand by climate? The average weather pattern at a place taken over a long period of time is known as climate of that place. For example, the temperature in the Himalayan region is very low most of the time. That's why we can say that the climate of Himalayan region is very cold. So many factors affect the climate of any region. Distance from the equator, that is latitude, affect the climate of the place. This is because the sun rays directly falls on equator. So lower the latitude, higher the temperature, and higher the latitude, lower the temperature. Then comes altitude. Places located on a higher altitude, that is on hills or mountains, are cooler than places in the plains. For example, Shimla and Srinagar are cooler. Next comes distance from the sea. The sea have a moderate effect on the temperature in the coastal area. The places near the coast, such as mountains, experience less variation in temperature, and have moderate climate. Next factor that affect climate is wind. Wind blowing from mountain region during winters month cause cold waves. During summers, hot and dry winds causes hot waves, which increase the temperature of that particular place. Some other activities also affect the climate of that particular place, that are human activities like industries. So many industry in a region can affect the climate of that particular place, because when fossil fuel burn, it creates so much carbon dioxide. And deforestation is the next major factor that affect our climate. Cutting of trees on a large scale can increase the temperature of that particular area. So this is the main reason of climatic change. So we should not cut so many trees to save our environment and save our climate. So I hope these all points are clear to all of you. Thank you for watching. Take care.